that to take up the AK-47 and turn it in a man's head. That is not right.
Gun pan belly, the berita never left. Government badness and HOLNESS.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. How hope everybody good? How hope everybody alright? If at the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Yeah man, more to go and look. People, that's one of Portland's finest beach. In fact, that's one of Jamaica's finest beach, Winifred Beach. And you know, say, if Andrew HOLNESS never implement the lockdown, up a Winifred Beach would have full up. All shows are point to Winifred Beach, but Jaja, that's just something we have to, you know, hope and pray for like my father. Anyway, big up Portland 876 for this video. People, you can check them out on Instagram. Like we go in at the intro, then go right into the stories.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray, Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, ever since Andrew HOLNESS tried to contribute the higher levels of violence in the country to dancehall music, a lot of entertainers are speaking out.
In our art form, in our music and in our culture. In as much as you are free to reflect what is happening in the society, you also have a duty to place it in context. That to take up the AK-47 and turn it in a man's head. That is not right. And though you have the protection of the Constitution to sing about it, you also have a duty to the children who are listening to you to say, man, that is not right.
In my opinion, it just feel like say every time Jamaica get violent and, you know, a surge are going in a crime, them not have nothing to blame it pan, but them just turn to the music. Remember, I know, we are talking about the same Andrew HOLNESS. The same Andrew HOLNESS was sometime use the moniker Bro God. The same Andrew HOLNESS where did I promote dancehall, you know, the dub something last year when the election did a go on. The same Andrew HOLNESS will embrace chronic last song Government Badness.
One make them vex. Two me no make friend of money me make. Gone uptown with a little neat preps. Gun pan belly, the berita never left. Government badness and HOLNESS.
And for some of the more mature audience, when I really know them song, I don't really listen dancehall, I'ma quote the chronicler lyrics. Must it true man a F them family make money like politics, me know that I mash up them head. If me make one call to my family, I be a gun shovel if me feel everybody fi dead. No people. Again, this is the song that Andrew HOLNESS was promoting, or he was using this song promoting his campaign. Him not promote the song, he use the song to promote him campaign. Because him know say the Jamaican culture love that badness something there. And worse chronicler did say, gun pan belly the berita never left, government badness Andrew HOLNESS. Me not tell a lie. Probably a true Andrew HOLNESS attack when him said the music really influence people. Because say the music did influence Andrew there. The only reason why I feel like Andrew used that song for his campaign are because his name call up in it. So it would look like chronicler a big up Andrew. Government badness Andrew HOLNESS. Yeah man.
Gun pan belly, the berita never left. Government badness and HOLNESS.
Jano, this coming like is a song review me do. People, I want to talk about a particular line here, because I just want to show you how Andrew HOLNESS is a big hypocrite. Big hypocrite. So in the second verse, chronicler say, I'm going to go slow. Them can't rush me. Them can't grab me. Them know say me gun the back of me ganzi. Yo, we have the knock knee clip. We have the bandy. People, I refer to a clip I am gun. Have the curve, you know the banana clip something there with curve. Yeah, that's why I'm saying we have the knock knee clip, like how we need them knock, and then we have the bandy, the curve on them. Yeah, that I mean. A song review me I do, man. Me pre like zombie fi kill constantly. Man a money maker, them boy they a tank fish. No people, This is the song the Prime Minister Andrew HOLNESS, was using to promote his campaign in the 2020 general elections. And then in a 2021, Andrew HOLNESS, I going to take him out and say this.
That to take up the AK-47 and turn it in a man's head. That is not right.
Me pray like zombie fi kill constantly. Man a money make a them boy they a tongue fish.
And if that's not the definition of hypocrisy, I don't know what is. Anyway, still, I know me alone see it, Baby Cham, aka Cham. I think him left off the baby half a name now. Him grown up and him call himself Cham. Him have something to say to Andrew HOLNESS. Can I call it a message to Andrew HOLNESS? Listen this.
Wagwan. Good day. I go by the name of Baby Cham, and I got a few things I want to address. Becoming an artist was solely to provide entertainment to the world through my music. Never would I once imagine that I would take on the responsibilities of a country's governing body or parenthood for an entire nation. From where I stand, as someone from the inner city, the ghetto, and a public figure, I have observed where poverty, poor leadership, illiteracy, and lack of opportunities for the Jamaican youths are the top 4 contributors for the country's high crime rate, not the music. Let us take it a bit further. Are we going to slam or blame Netflix, who is one of the world's top streaming platforms, for violent contents in the same breath? Or are we going to remove data from everyone's smartphones and their homes? Come on. Therefore, it begs to ask the question, is audio communication more effective than video communication? If yes, then it is with great honor that I will lobby for myself and my fellow artists, which are my brothers, to take over the government of Jamaica, so we can finally, through our music, bring some order and restoration to the country. Mr. Prime Minister, did your conclusion arrive from study done, or did it arrive from guilt of mismanagement over the years? People who are already prone to violence and have violent behaviors will always trigger by anything that mimics that. Their thought and such, it is easy to conclude that visual or audio is what caused the person to become violent. Not because the conclusion is an easy way out. That means we should use it to mask the real issue at hand, which is poverty, poor leadership from both government and parenting, illiteracy, and lack of communication and opportunities for the youths. An artist is a mirror of society. Whatever society reflects, we tend to reflect it back with music, melodies, and words. If you take away the art from the artist, then you take away the artistry, and then you will have no artist. So please, listen to what the people of the country is really saying, and do the right job, and do the right work. Bless you.
Despite the fact that Cham is reading from a script, everything when I talk are facts. You see me? Every single thing when I talk are facts. In my opinion still. And Andrew HOLNESS, me I talk to you now. Please make we find some solutions to crime. Please make we actually pump some money in a crime. Me see you want to build one new parliament, And while I agree that the country need to have a proper place for the head of state conference and do them meeting and them thing there, but is it the right time right now? Nothing really wrong with the old parliament, or we can't use it. So make we just go and use the old parliament and put the money there where you go build the new parliament, put it in our school, put it in our healthcare. Remember saying the nurse them down and you with them nav equipment for work with. You know this. Public nav equipment for work with. Me I beg you please make we utilize the resources them properly and make we forward together as a country. And don't use dancehall as a weak fence. So every time the country are broke down, you just lean over upon it because it done weak already and I push it down. No, make we help build dancehall and make we help build we country. Make we get rid of them violence here. You see me? Don't pick on the artist them, man. It feel like a that ya do. Like you only use the man them for your gain. Anyway, still, people, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.